Do you wake up early?
Yes, I wake up at 6 a.m.
Does she brush her teeth every morning?
Yes, she brushes her teeth twice a day.
Do they take breakfast?
Yes, they take breakfast every morning.
Does he drink tea or coffee?
He drinks tea.
Do we go to school?
Yes, we go to school every day.
Does he walk to school?
No, he goes by bus.
Do you eat lunch at home?
Yes, I eat lunch at home.
Do they play games?
Yes, they play football.
Does she read books?
Yes, she reads storybooks.
Do you study English?
Yes, I study English every day.
Does he watch TV?
Yes, he watches TV at night.
Do they listen to music?
Yes, they listen to music daily.
Does she use a computer?
Yes, she uses a computer.
Do you go to bed early?
Yes, I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Does he help his parents?
Yes, he helps his parents.
Do they like fruits?
Yes, they like apples and bananas.
Does she drink milk?
Yes, she drinks milk every night.
Do you take exercise?
Yes, I take exercise daily.
Do we visit the park?
Yes, we visit the park on Sundays.
Does he pray daily?
Yes, he prays 5 times a day.
Does your father work?
Yes, he works in an office.
Does your mother cook food?
Yes, she cooks delicious food.
Does your brother play cricket?
Yes, he plays cricket every evening.
Does your sister go to school?
Yes, she goes to school.
Do your parents love you?
Yes, they love me a lot.
Do we call our friends?
Yes, we call them often.
Do they meet their friends daily?
Yes, they meet them at school.
Does he talk with his neighbors?
Yes, he talks with them sometimes.
Do you share things with friends?
Yes, I share my books.
Do her friends help her?
Yes, they help her in studies.
Do your parents support you?
Yes, they support me always.
Does your teacher teach well?
Yes, he teaches very well.
Do your classmates like you?
Yes, they like me.
Do you respect your elders?
Yes, I respect them.
Does he obey his parents?
Yes, he obeys them.
Do they talk politely?
Yes, they always talk politely.
Do you love your family?
Yes, I love my family very much.
Does she spend time with her family?
Yes, she spends evenings with them.
Do they celebrate birthdays?
Yes, they celebrate birthdays.
Do you visit your relatives?
Yes, I visit them on weekends.
Do we go to school daily?
Yes, we go daily.
Does she wear a uniform?
Yes, she wears a uniform.
Do you sit in the front row?
Yes, I sit in the front.
Do they read in the library?
Yes, they read books there.
Does he write in notebooks?
Yes, he writes neatly.
Do you do your homework?
Yes, I always do it.
Does she learn new words?
Yes, she learns new words daily.
Do they ask questions in class?
Yes, they ask when they need help.
Do you answer questions?
Yes, I answer confidently.
Do we like our teachers?
Yes, we like them.
Does he study science?
Yes, he studies science.
Do you enjoy math?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Do they play sports at school?
Yes, they play football.
Does she eat lunch at school?
Yes, she eats in the canteen.
Do you take part in exams?
Yes, I take them every year.
Do they get good marks?
Yes, they get good marks.
Does he like English?
Yes, he likes it very much.
Do you write essays?
Yes, I write essays.
Does she memorize poems?
Yes, she memorizes them.
Do they like reading stories?
Yes, they like reading stories.
Do you play cricket?
Yes, I play cricket.
Does he play football?
Yes, he plays football too.
Do they swim?
Yes, they swim in summer.
Does she ride a bicycle?
Yes, she rides a bicycle daily.
Do you draw pictures?
Yes, I draw pictures.
Does he sing songs?
Yes, he sings songs.
Do they dance?
Yes, they dance sometimes.
Do you watch movies?
Yes, I watch movies.
Does she collect stamps?
Yes, she collects stamps.
Do they play video games?
Yes, they play video games.
Do you go shopping?
Yes, I go shopping.
Do we go to the market?
Yes, we go on weekends.
Does he eat ice cream?
Yes, he eats ice cream.
Do they like chocolate?
Yes, they like chocolate.
Does she drink juice?
Yes, she drinks mango juice.
Do you eat fast food?
Yes, I eat it sometimes.
Does he like pizza?
Yes, he likes pizza.
Do they travel by bus?
Yes, they travel by bus.
Do you read the newspaper?
Yes, I read it daily.
Do we enjoy weekends?
Yes, we enjoy weekends.
Does she wash her hands?
Yes, she washes them before eating.
Do you comb your hair?
Yes, I comb my hair daily.
Do they wear clean clothes?
Yes, they wear clean clothes.
Does he use a mobile phone?
Yes, he uses a mobile phone.
Do you send messages?
Yes, I send messages.
Does she check emails?
Yes, she checks emails.
Do they ride bikes?
Yes, they ride bikes.
Do you take rest?
Yes, I take rest in the afternoon.
Does he drink water?
Yes, he drinks plenty of water.
Do we eat vegetables?
Yes, we eat vegetables.
Do they wash their clothes?
Yes, they wash them.
Do you clean your room?
Yes, I clean it.
Does she water the plants?
Yes, she waters them.
Do they like flowers?
Yes, they like roses.
Does he feed animals?
Yes, he feeds his cat.
Do you like pets?
Yes, I like dogs.
Does she see the sunrise?
Yes, she sees it every morning.